So here it is our data for the problem. Construct a tangent to a given circle O20 from any given point P outside the circle. Now with the help of compass, draw a circle having 20 mm radius. Also mention the dimension of it. Now mark the center point of the circle as well as take any point outside of the circle at any distance. Now name the center point of the circle by point O and name the point outside of the circle by point P. After that, draw a line passing through point O and point P. Now, with the help of compass, bisect line OP using perpendicular bisector method. The video link of perpendicular bisector method is also provided in description. Name the intersecting points of an arc by point M and point N. Now connect this point M and point N with the help of line. Mark point Q where line MN cuts line OP. Now with the help of compass, take OQ distance as a radius and from point Q as a center, draw an arc which will cut the given circle. Name the intersecting points by point A and by point B. Now draw a line passing through point A and point P as well as draw a line passing through point P and point B. Here we can say that line PA and line PB are tangent to a given circle from any given point P outside the circle. I hope you understood it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box.